everyone, this is Kelly from CampAddict.com, here to bitch about my weight distribution hitch once again. So you might have seen before I've complained about my E2 weight distribution hitch because I bottom out on a regular basis. And what happens when I bottom out? A lot of things happen actually. I have an L bracket here. It comes here and goes down through here. There's a hole at the bottom of the bracket where I need to stick something through to keep it from coming out. Well, I've dragged ground so many times. I've gone through 2 sets where the bottom, the hole, gets so clogged with dirt and rocks that I can't pull anything out of it and I'll never get anything into it again. So there's that. Secondly, I've bottomed out so many times. If you come and look to the side here, you can see how the bar is now bent. So it's pretty much useless. It's not doing the same job that it would have done. Thirdly, the whole thing has moved this way and it has migrated up and down, which it's not supposed to do, because Marshall figured out that it was installed incorrectly. Guess who installed it? Yeah, you know I didn't install it. The dealership installed it. So just kind of goes to show a lot of times these dealers do not really know what they're talking about. So what they did was this. Come and look underneath, you see this nice big gap here. That allows for this to really move back and forth quite a bit. They installed the rear bracket incorrectly. There's holes here behind this. This should have been flipped the other way so the holes were down here so that you would have been able to stick this bolt straight through to here. But if you look over here at the new brackets, same system. It's correctly where the bolts are down below, and we did install this bolt and we haven't tightened it or anything. This is just to show you. But the other thing I do not still like about this is look at the play. I still have play. So when I do go down the road and I inevitably do bottom out, because I will, this is going to happen again and could bend as well. So I just find this to be kind of ridiculous. I'm tired of dealing with it. It's very difficult to put on, probably partially because the dealership sold me too big of a system. It's too heavy of a system for my rig. This is, I think, a 1,000 pound tongue weight, 10,000 pound trailer. I don't need all that. So it doesn't do the job the same way. It causes probably a very rough ride, and it's really hard to put my bars on. I should have gotten something about a 5,000 pound, I think it's their lowest one. 600 pound hitch weight, Marshall, I think, and
6,000 pounds.
Yeah, that would have sufficed. But no, they sold me the heavy one, and that definitely causes for a rough ride and a very tough install. I mean, I have bitched a fit so many times trying to get this thing on. So I am a huge non-fan. Even if we do recommend this one as a budget weight distribution hitch, personally, I don't recommend it. You come to me and ask me about it, I'm gonna bitch about it. It's no good. It's just full of problems for me. So that's it. Thanks for listening, and I hope you don't have to buy this weight distribution hitch. Bye.